There go your rent, oh yeah. Earning with Yusuf, $6 to crack. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. Earning with Yusuf, $6 to crack. Whoa, yeah. Honky horn player, my boy, we're going crazy, baby. Earning with Yusuf, $6 to crack. Oh yeah. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. Earning with you. I'm talking low startup costs, and I mean no. I'm talking about nil capitalized estate, baby. This just ain't big. Only take hustle, no bucks, baby. That means it's all profit. All profit. 2 hours and I'm done. No need for residuals.
All right, team, it's your brother Yusuf, and I hope everybody is having a fantastic day here. We are diving into a little bit of ChatGPT, team. A lot of people are not exactly sure how to utilize ChatGPT in their business. So I just want to share one of the awesome ways that I utilize ChatGPT. So as you can see on the screen, we have a clean chat open, and as you can see, it says, "What can I help you with?" So I've typed in exactly what I do, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT for some help. So, as you can see, I help pre-retirees start and scale an automated online business so they can live the retirement that they always dreamed of. So I am going to go ahead and where's my cursor? Cursor. Ah, did my cursor disappear, family? I apologize, team. I'm trying some new stuff here, so I honestly have my camp up. There we go. There. Okay. So I help pre-retirees start and scale an automated online business so they can live the retirement they have always dreamed of. So let's see what ChatGPT thinks about that. That's the strong mission statement, Yusuf. Here's a polished version you can use for your bio, social media, or elevator pitch. Okay. Love it, love it. I help pre-retirees start and scale an automated online business so they can finally enjoy the freedom, flexibility, and financial peace that they've always dreamed of in retirement. Now, want a few more variations? So let's see here. Want a few more variations with different tones, like one for social media, one more inspirational, or one with a more storytelling edge. So let's do one with a more storytelling edge. So, yes, please give me a variation with a more storytelling edge. You never spelled storytelling incorrectly. So, not long ago, I met so many hardworking people in their 50s and 60s who did everything right. Worked a 9 to 5, raised a family, saved what they could, only to realize retirement wasn't going to look, excuse me, the way that they'd imagined. That's why I help pre retirees start and scale automated online businesses so they can stop worrying about running out of money and start living the retirement that they've always dreamed of. Traveling, spending time with grandkids, and finally enjoying the freedom that they've earned. So, family, doesn't that sound so much better? In other words, this is just one. Now, watch this. Watch this. Okay. Now, can you give me the 10 biggest pain points for my ideal customer? Definitely. Here are the 10 biggest pain points of your ideal customer. A pre retiree who wants to start an automated online business likely struggles with not enough saved for retirement, fear of outliving their money, the lack of time or energy to start something new, feeling behind in the digital world, burnout from traditional jobs, worried about being a burden to their family, lack of a clear plan or blueprint, skeptical of online scams, limited tech skills, and a desire to leave a legacy. So, family, now these are this is what ChatGPT thinks the 10 biggest pain points for my ideal customer are. Now, watch this. Can you craft a, let's see, 1 minute reel targeting pain point number 6? Absolutely. Here's a 1 minute reel script targeting pain point number 6. Worried about being a burden to the family. You can deliver this with a calm but heartfelt tone, maybe with soft background music and visuals of an older person looking thoughtful, grandkids playing, or even family dinner scenes. So check it out. Can I be real for a second? A lot of pre retirees won't say this out loud, but deep down, they're scared of becoming a burden to their kids. Retirement was supposed to be a reward, time to rest, travel, enjoy the grandkids, not to stress about bills or whether you'll need to ask your children for help. Where here's the truth, you can take control. I help people in their 50s and 60s start simple, automated online businesses. No tech skills, no chasing friends, just a clear path to daily income and a peace of mind. So if you're ready to flip the script and create real freedom, drop a light bulb in the comments. Let's build something your future self will thank you for. So, family, is that not awesome? And this is just one. Let me show you this. So watch this. Can you give me a variation with more empathy? Absolutely. Here's a more empathetic and heartfelt version of the 1 minute reel script for pain point number 6. Here we go. So I know this isn't easy to admit, but if you're in your 50s or 60s and you've ever caught yourself thinking, I just don't want to be a burden to my kids, you are not alone. You've spent your whole life taking care of everyone else. You gave your time, your energy, and now you're wondering if you'll have enough left for you. I get it. That fear, it's real. But there's also hope. I help people just like you start a simple, automated online business so you can finally create income on your terms without tech overwhelm and without sacrificing your peace. If you're ready to build something for you this time, just comment ready below. You're not too late and you don't have to do this alone. So, family, this this is just a tidbit of how ChatGPT can help you if you are a network marketer, if you really want to create engaging content that's going to attract your ideal customer. These are the types of reels that you need to be creating. In other words, family. I know I've said this before. What happened? Oh, that was weird. I know I said this before, family, but the days of sliding into DMs, that time is done with, family. It's now time for you to automate your business. Now, what do I mean by that? Team, I know it seems like I'm all over the place. You guys hopefully see Yusuf Freemanel everywhere, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. The thing is, I have dedicated, I have committed to spending 1 hour every single day creating content that's engaging to my ideal customer. So that way, family, I no longer have to slide into DMs. I no longer have to bug my friends and family to join my next biggest, greatest, network marketing program. In other words, family, I have tapped into a system that allows me to use AI and automation to automatically attract my ideal customers, my ideal partners to me. And guess what? Once they're in that automated system, there's an automated process that follows up with them daily until they either decide to leave the system or they buy. It's literally as simple as that, family. In 2025, you really need to be tapping into automation and AI. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, something that you want to learn more about, do me a favor, visit my website, www.earnwithyusuf.com. That's www.earnwithyusuf.com. Drop in your best email address, watch this short 13-minute video, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Have a great day, family. Peace and blessings. I'll let you boy. Peace.
With Yusuf, $6 to crack. Whoa!